I hope you are safe at your home and continuously revising your chapters, your subjects also. Okay students, so we will start our class with the topic Meet My Friend. Your chapter first, Meet My Friend. So let's read about it. Come meet my family. Come meet my family. Hello, I am Roy. Hello, I am Roy. I am a boy. I am a boy. Hello, I am Roy. I am a boy. I am 6 years old. I am 6 years old. I like to swim. I like to swim. I love my family. I love my family. Come meet my family. आइए मैं आपको अपनी फैमिली से मिलवाता हूँ. हेलो, नमस्ते. आई एम रॉय. मैं कौन हूँ? रॉय हूँ. मैं एक लड़का हूँ. आई एम अ बॉय. मैं एक लड़का हूँ. आई एम 6 years old. कितने साल का हूँ मैं? 6 years old हूँ. मैं 6 साल का हूँ. कितने साल का हूँ मैं? 6 साल का हूँ. आई लाइक टू स्विम. मुझे क्या पसंद है? रॉय लाइक्स स्विम. व्हाट ही लाइक? स्विम. लाइक स्विम. तैरना पसंद है उसे. ओके. आई लव माई फैमिली. और मैं अपनी फैमिली से, अपने परिवार से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. I am Mrs. Das. I am Mrs. Das. I am Mr. Das. I am Sia. Roy is my brother. Roy is my brother. I am Mrs. Das. मैं Mrs. Das हूँ. I am Das. मैं Mr. Das हूँ. I am Sia. मैं Sia हूँ. रॉय की सिस्टर, रॉय की बहन. ओके. ओके. Open the next page. This is my father. He is a doctor. He likes to read. This is my father. ये मेरे पापा हैं. कौन है मेरे? फादर हैं, पापा हैं. And he is a doctor. He is a doctor. And who is he? Mr. Das. Who is he? Mr. Das. Mr. Das, the father of Roy. Mr. Das, and he is the father of Roy. Mr. Das is the father of Roy, and he is a doctor. His occupation is doctor. Okay, he is a doctor, and he likes to read. He likes to read. What he likes to read? He likes to read newspaper, books. Okay, these kind of things he likes to read. This is my mother. This is my mother. ये मेरी माता है. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. कौन है वो? टीचर है, एक अध्यापिका है, वो पढ़ाती हैं. ठीक है. She is a teacher. As like I am your teacher ना, she is also a teacher. She likes to cook. और उन्हें क्या पसंद है? कुकिंग करना, खाना बनाना पसंद है. ठीक है. ये मेरी माँ है और ये टीचर है और इन्हें खाना बनाना भी पसंद है. She is my sister Sia. She is 10 years old. She likes to play. ये मेरी बहन है. कौन है? बहन है. सिया. She is 10 years old. कितने साल की है सिया? सिया जो कि रॉय की बहन है और वो 10 साल की है. और उसे क्या पसंद है? उसे खेलना पसंद है. ठीक है. बैडमिंटन खेलना, क्रिकेट खेलना, आउटडोर गेम्स खेलना, इंडोर गेम्स खेलना सिया को बहुत पसंद है. शी इज़ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. ये कौन है? रॉय की बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. कौन है रॉय की? ये बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. ठीक है. हर नेम इज पीहू. क्या है उसका नाम? पीहू है. क्या नाम है? पीहू. शी इज 7 years old. कितने साल की है वो? 7 years old. पीहू कितने साल की है? हाउ मेनी ओल्ड पीहू? 7 years old. 7 years old. Okay. She loves to be with animals. उसे क्या अच्छा लगता है? Animals के साथ उसे अच्छा लगता है. Animals like pet animals, dog, और you can call cat also. Okay. Whatever you want to keep at your home. Okay. Animals. So which animals we can see here? Dog. Okay. A pup. A baby of a dog is called pup. Okay. Okay. So we have read the chapter. We will revise it. Come meet my family. आइए मेरे परिवार से मिलिए. या चलिए मैं आपको अपनी फैमिली से मिलवाता हूँ, अपने परिवार से मिलवाता हूँ. Firstly, we want to know about Roy. Roy is a boy. Roy क्या है? Boy है. Roy is a boy. And he likes swim. He likes swim. तैरना उसे पसंद है और वो अपनी फैमिली से, अपने परिवार से बहुत प्यार करता है. उसके जो पापा हैं उसका नाम क्या है? मिस्टर दास. और वो एक डॉक्टर हैं. डॉक्टर होने के साथ उन्हें क्या पसंद है? रीड करना. ओके, क्या रीड करना? न्यूज़पेपर रीड करना और बुक्स रीड करना. ओके, मिसेस दास जो कि रॉय की मम्मा हैं, माँ हैं, उन्हें क्या पसंद है? कुक करना, खाना बनाना पसंद है. और वो एक टीचर भी हैं. वो एक टीचर हैं और उन्हें खाना बनाना भी पसंद है. सिया रॉय की सिस्टर है. सिया रॉय की सिस्टर है. ओके, एंड शी इज 10 ईयर ओल्ड. कितने साल की है वो? 10 साल की है. और उसे खेलना पसंद है, आउटडोर और इंडोर गेम्स और काइंड ऑफ क्रिकेट, बैडमिंटन, कैरम. Okay, these kind of games she likes. Sia likes to play. Okay, now Pihu. Pihu is Roy's best friend. Pihu Roy की best friend है. वो 7 years old है. And she likes be with animals. उसे animals के साथ रहना, pet animals के साथ रहना, like pup और cat, इनके साथ रहना उसे पसंद है. उन्हें खिलाना उन्हें पसंद है. ठीक है, तो रॉय की फैमिली से हम about Roy's family. We will move on to the exercise. So take out page number 9 in your English literature book. Okay, think and circle. Think of your family and circle the members who are there in your family. So what you have to do, अपनी फैमिली के बारे में सोचिए और इनमें से जो भी आपकी फैमिली में है उन पे क्या करना है? आपको सर्कल करना है. ठीक है, ठीक है, क्या करना है? सर्कल करना है. ग्रैंडफादर, दादाजी या नाना जी. ग्रैंडफादर, सो डू यू हैव ग्रैंडफादर? ओके, द सर्कल वन, इफ यू हैव ग्रैंडमदर, दादी या नानी, दादी या नानी, दादी और नानी दोनों. ठीक है, उनमें से कोई भी, आइदर दादी और आइदर नानी. ठीक है. फादर, इफ यू हैव फादर यू हैव टू सर्कल ऑन इट. If you have a mother, you have to circle on it. If you have a brother, so you also have a circle of it. Brother means भाई, sister बहन, uncle चाचा, auntie चाची. Uncle means मौसा चाचा. ठीक है, auntie means बुआ चाची और मौसी. ओके, cousins means आपके चाचा के जो भी बच्चे हैं वो आपके क्या होंगे? cousins होंगे. और जो भी आपकी रियल सिस्टर और ब्रदर्स होगी उन्हें क्या कहेंगे हम? siblings. क्या कहेंगे? siblings. ओके, what we call siblings means Sia and Roy are siblings. Sia and Roy are siblings. Okay, move on to the next one, the B part. Okay, think and take the correct option. Think and take the correct option. How many sisters does Roy have? How many sisters does Roy have? And we read about it. That Roy has one sister. Her name is Sia. Her name is Sia. So how many sisters Roy have? One. How many sisters? Roy have one sister. Roy have. Okay. So we will tick on one. The next one is, turn over the page. Who is Sia's brother? Sia के भाई का नाम क्या है? Who is Sia's brother? So if we know Roy is a brother of Sia, so Sia is also a sister of Roy. So Sia's brother. Who is Sia's brother? Roy. Okay. What is Roy's mother? रॉय की मम्मा क्या करती हैं? शी इज अ टीचर. शी इज अ टीचर. शी इज अ टीचर. ओके. हाउ ओल्ड इज सिया? सिया कितने साल की है? हाउ ओल्ड इज सिया? 6 years, 10 years और 7 years. सिया 7 years old or 10 years old or 6 years old. She is 10 years old. She is 10 years old. And she likes play. She likes play. Okay? What does Pihu like? Who is Pihu? Pihu is the best friend of Roy. Roy's best friend. Roy's best friend. Her name is Pihu. And she liked to be with animals. She liked to be with animals. Okay? To be with animals. To be with animals. Pihu likes to be with animals. Okay? Okay, move on to the next one. I think we have learned about vowel and consonants, but we will repeat it again for revision. Okay? So how many vowels we have in our English? There are 26 alphabets. There are 26 alphabets in our English language, and we have 5 vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And rest letters are called consonants. And rest letters are called consonants. 21 letters. Okay? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, okay, X, Y, Z. Okay, these are consonants. Okay, so after reading the portion, we will move on to the page number 11. What we can see here? A leg, a girl, an ear, an apple. So we have to learn about A and N. We have to learn about it. Okay? What is it? What we call it? Articles. These are articles. A, N. These are articles. Okay? We will call it articles. So firstly we have to know A, where we will use A. A. We put A before a word that begins with a consonant sound. A word that begins with a consonant sound, we will put A with it. Okay? Okay. So, examples kind of L-E-G, leg. Bag. Okay? European. University. As we know, we put A before a word that begins with a consonant sound. Consonant sound. It not means consonant has written before. It not means consonant has written before, but it needs to be a consonant sound. Means consonant sound होना चाहिए, चाहे वो यहाँ पर लिखा हो, either ना लिखा हो. ठीक है? यहाँ पे हमने देखा, we have seen here L-E-G. L is the consonant word. Bag is also a consonant word. European. Is this a consonant word, students? E is a consonant word? No. Is not a consonant word, but it sounds consonants. Like when we pronunciate it, we will speak U, European. So this is consonant and this sound comes consonant sound. That's why we write A before on it. Okay? Like university, like university, U is vowel, but a sound comes from it is consonant sound, Y O U. U. University. So we will put A before leg, leg, before bag, before European, before university. Okay? Got it? As we put N, we put N before a word that begins with a vowel sound, Okay. First we have to know what word can come here. Okay. E-double-G, egg. M-A. Okay. The next one is apple. Apple can also pronunciate vowel. E vowel. M is not vowel. It is not vowel, but it sounds vowel sound. Okay, but it sounds vowel. When we speak M-A, it sounds E-double-M. E. It sounds M-A. M-A. So we will put N before M-A. That's why we will put N before M-A. And before apple, we will also put N. Okay? We will also put N. Let's start seeing some examples. Okay? Like aunt, egg, bag, ball, ink, pot, ink pot. Okay. Next one is elephant. Elephant. Next, monkey. So what we will put before aunt? Before aunt we will put A or N. Yes. As we know, we have vowel sound in this word. We have vowel sound in this word, so we will put N here. N. Okay? Egg. E-double-G. E is a vowel word and it sounds vowel. So we will put N here also. Bag. Bag. B is a consonant sound. This word is a consonant sound and first letter is consonant word. So we will put A here. We will put A. We will put A also here because B is a consonant word and this word B is a consonant alphabet and this word is sound consonant sound. This word is sound consonant sound. Okay. Ink pot. I is a vowel. vowel. I is a vowel, and this word is sound, vowel sound. When we pronunciate it, it sounds vowel sound, and we will put N here before import. We will put N here also because E is a vowel. E is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. E is a vowel, and this will pronunciate as vowel sound. Okay? Monkey. Monkey. M. M is a consonant word, and this M is a consonant alphabet, and this word sound consonant. Okay, so we will put A here. Okay, students, have you got all the point? Okay, so students, this is your homework. Paste sticker on the letters of the alphabet given at the end of your book in their correct bogie. Correct bogie means what you have to do? Put the correct bogie mein what you have to do? Alphabet given at the end of your book in their correct bogie. You have to put article, correct article. So, page number 12. Okay, let's start doing page number 12. Use A or N and name the pictures. So, first picture is about apple. Okay? So what we will put on it? N. We will put on it N because A double P L E. A is the vowel letter or alphabet, and this word is sound. Vowel sound. So we will put N here, and it is an apple. Okay, the next one is rose. Is this rose? Is this rose, student? Is this rose? Okay. Rose. A rose. We can call it flower also, but as we have seen, it is a rose, so we will rose, or we can also call flower. Okay? It is also a part of flower. Okay, what is it? Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. So O is a sound of vowel, and it is also a vowel letter. It is a vowel letter, and this word is sound, vowel sound. So we will put N before orange. Okay. The next one is, what is this, students? Can you see this picture? Can you see this? Okay. The fourth one, the fifth one, and sixth one, you have to do it at your home. And this page is also about do it at your home as your homework. Okay, page number 13, you have to do at your home as your homework part. Okay, students.